This video we're going to draw a flower that is called an aster, which is a Greek word that means star, and it's called an aster flower because it refers to the shape of the flower petals, the flower head. So you're going to go ahead and get your quarter sheet of paper or your sketchbook and your pencil and eraser. Follow my guide. I will be using a marker so you can see my lines, but you use a pencil because you are learning how to draw with lines and shapes. And if you draw light, you can erase and your lines go away if you make a mistake. So we're going to hold our paper vertically, which is tall, and the first shape that we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle, not in the middle but a little bit off to the left. Circle in the middle of your paper just like that. So a little bit off to the left, but in the middle. Okay, inside the big circle, we're going to do a bunch of small circles. So I'm going to go around the right side only of the edge and make some small circles. And I'm going to stop. So I'm just going to go on this side of the circle, and I'm going to add just one or two more right here inside. Okay, the next step we're going to do is we are going to draw a straight line going up like that, and then the same going down. Okay, then you're going to do one to the left and to the right. So the same distance, go to the left and to the right. So you have 4 lines and they're kind of even. So you draw your line, you pick up your pencil and go to the other side of the circle, draw the line. And it's the same with this one. You draw the line, you pick up your pencil and go to the other side, so they're even, but you don't go across, and draw your line. Okay, easy next step. We're going to do skinny letter U's, upside down U. So you see that? And this one, skinny. Okay, do it on each letter, each line. So now you have 4 very long letter U's. Okay, now you're going to fill in the same shape all the way around, but we're using these as a guide. So I'm going to do one more line here, diagonal. I'm going to go onto the other side of the circle, diagonal, and do it this way too. Diagonal, pick up your pencil and go on this side, diagonal. Alright, do the same thing with these. Skinny. Just go back around and down. Go back around and down and make sure they're skinny. Around and down. Alright, so now we're going to use that as a guide. So in between all of these, you're going to make a whole bunch of skinny lines just like that. So you go up, around, and down. And you're using the first ones as a guide. So if I go too fast on this step, you're going to pause the video, but if you can keep up with me, we're just going to fill in all the spaces, go up and back down, up, around, and back down. Okay, fill up all the spaces. Like I said, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and catch up with me once you are finished. But for time's sake, I'm drawing these pretty fast. Alright, done. Okay, next step I'm going to do is I'm going to make a backwards letter C right here. I'm not going to go across the petals, backwards letter C. Inside, I'm going to do the same thing as these small circles along this one edge. And then I'm just going to do 1 or 2 more inside like that. Okay, now, line going up, line going down, line going to the right. We're going to do the same thing as we did with the purple that I did on this original drawing. Up and around, down, but I am not going to go across these first petals. I'm just going to stop as much as I can do it and without going across it. Same with the bottom. I'm just going to stop until I can't go anymore. Now the rest of these you're going to fill up and go all the way around. Same thing. Go up and down and around. Pause the video. I'm going fast just for time's sake. And catch up with me when you're finished. Then restart the video when you're finished with me. Okay. Now, we did all the petals. They all look like the star shape, which is what the aster flower looks like. We're going to do the stems now. So right in between one of the petals, just do a little curved line like that. The second one parallel to it and connect. Okay, same thing with this flower here to the right. Do a stem, curved line, and do another parallel line next to it for the stem. Alright, and then the last part is going to be the flowers. So it's kind of like, do one on the right side, go smiley face, frown face, and then do one on the other side. Smiley face, frown face, and we'll do two more on this stem. Smiley face, frown face, smiley face, frown face. And those are your aster flowers. These flowers come in a family of a variety of colors, but they look like daisies too, so if you color them yellow, you can make them daisies because they're in the same flower family. Or you can paint them purple and pink, and they come in blue also. But that is your aster flower. Hopefully you get your color pencils or your crayons. Make sure you color them whatever color that you want. Do your best. If you mess up, go ahead and practice and do another one. Please subscribe to my channel and look for more videos. And I am an avid fan of making homemade cards, holiday cards, so Mother's Day is coming up. So if you want to make this little Mother's Day card, go ahead and title it Mother's Day, if you want. And give that to your mother or your grandmother or your aunt for Mother's Day. And thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it.